Hello, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to Smart Invest Pro. I'm Evan, and today we have a jaw-dropping story that's turning heads in the crypto community. An Ethereum whale making waves with a staggering $46.02 million move across Binance, Bitfinex and Aave. Let's dive into the details. In a surprising turn of events, an Ethereum whale has orchestrated a series of strategic transactions over the past 2 days, catching everyone's attention. Using a network of 8 wallets, this whale has shifted a massive $46.02 million in ETH, leaving the community buzzing with speculation. Spot On Chain, a blockchain analytics platform, first brought this massive movement to our attention through a tweet. The whale withdrew Ethereum holdings from Binance and Bitfinex at an average price of $2,419. But that's just the beginning of the story. The whale then took a bold step by staking with Lido, a liquid staking solution. Subsequently, using 5 wallets, they withdrew a whopping 50.15 million USDT from Aave, a major DeFi protocol. The USDT was then exchanged for 19,021 ETH, totaling the staggering $46.02 million value. Now here's where it gets interesting. Spot On Chain revealed that 3 wallets still hold around 30 million USDT in Aave, sparking speculation about their next move. Could we see more deposits into a centralized exchange soon? The crypto world is watching closely. The timing of these transactions aligns with a challenging period for Ethereum. The price struggled, recording a 4.57% dip in the last 24 hours and a 9.46% decline in the past week. Current market data shows ETH trading at $2,296, and Coinglass reports significant liquidations, totaling $53.78 million within the last 24 hours. In conclusion, such significant moves from influential entities often spark speculation about market impacts. As traders and investors, it's crucial to exercise caution and stay vigilant. The crypto landscape is ever evolving, and we're here to keep you updated. What are your thoughts on this whale's massive move? Share your views in the comments below. If you found this update valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more crypto insights. Until next time, I'm Evan from Smart Invest Pro. Happy trading, crypto enthusiasts.